Are you confused about which version of Postgres you have installed? You're not alone. Many users face this dilemma, and today we're going to clarify it for you. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when you're trying to get your database environment set up and you're not sure about the version you're working with. It's a common issue, and we're here to help. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, "Which version of Postgres do I have installed?" They mentioned their operating system is CentOS Linux release 7.3.6111, and they found a folder named PostgreSQL 9.4. However, when they ran the command to check the version, they received a different version number. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So what could be happening here? It's possible that multiple versions of Postgres are installed on the system, or the command might be pointing to a different installation. We'll break it down step by step to clarify this confusion. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a quick tip that will help you manage your Postgres installations more effectively. To determine the version of PostgreSQL installed, the user should first check the version reported by the database itself. This can be done by executing the command select version in the PostgreSQL command line interface. The output from this command indicates that the user has PostgreSQL version 9.2.18 installed. This is the version that the database is currently using. Next, the user should note that the presence of the folder PostgreSQL 9.4 in the /usr/ directory suggests that version 9.4 is also available on the system. However, it is not the version currently being used by the database. To switch to the newer version, the user may need to update their PostgreSQL configuration or perform an upgrade. This process can vary based on the specific setup and requirements. In summary, the user has PostgreSQL version 9.2.18 currently running, while version 9.4 is installed but not active. Upgrading may be necessary to utilize the newer version. Fun fact, did you know that Postgres was originally developed at the University of California, Berkeley? It's been around since the 1980s and has evolved significantly since then. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to check your Postgres version is to use the command psql-version. This command will directly display the version of Postgres installed in your environment. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. This user suggests that you might have multiple instances of PostgreSQL installed. To find out which instance you are currently using, they recommend running the command show data directory in your SQL environment. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always document your installations and versions. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. You should now have a clearer understanding of which Postgres version you have installed. Remember, keeping track of your installations is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into Postgres management.